Exploring the marvels of SpaceX X-37b. Unveiling the universe, one launch at a time, SpaceX ignites our collective imagination, with X-37b leading their cosmic conquest. The SpaceX X-37b, a secretive spacecraft, is a testament to technological advancement, blurring the line between fiction and reality. What sets X-37b apart? It's the unprecedented capability to return to Earth, refurbish, and relaunch. Reusability revolutionizes spaceflight economics. The X-37b, an autonomous spacecraft, can stay in orbit for years. It's like having an off-world lab, conducting experiments in microgravity. But X-37b isn't just about science. It's about shaping the future. It's about building a cosmic highway for humans to traverse the stars. SpaceX X-37b embodies the spirit of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's our beacon in this cosmic journey. In decoding the success of SpaceX X-37b, we understand a bit more about our universe. Join us in celebrating this cosmic triumph.